Yes, hello guys, welcome back into this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp on your computer without keeping your phone online or without using your smartphone. So as usual, you know that in order to use your WhatsApp on your computer, also you need to scan WhatsApp on your computer and make sure that your phone is connected online, so you can be chatting via also your computer. So now, in this way, I'm going to show you is not similar like that, and also as you know that you can be installing Android phone and use that WhatsApp for chatting on your computer. Also, this way is different from that one. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe first, like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. So without wasting time now, let's get started and showing you how you can do that. So you know that now in order to use WhatsApp also there are different ways, and I'm going to be using this WhatsApp also, as you can see here. So as you can see here now, this is a WhatsApp on my computer, and this is the only one I'm going to be using. And this one is going to help me showing you how you can be also using this WhatsApp on your computer without keeping your phone online. So now let me click there and also open this. So once I click there, you see now I open my WhatsApp, and you can see I'm using Opera browser. And if you want to use this in a quick and easy way, you can be downloading your Opera browser in your computer and start using this WhatsApp. So as you can see now, these are features now which is for a few days ago that WhatsApp has updated it, and you can be using this one, and you can see this message here if you want to know more information about this. As you can see here now, there are information here which is saying that now send and receive messages without keeping your phone online. Use WhatsApp on up to 4 devices and one phone at the same time. So means now you can be using your WhatsApp on 5 devices at the same time. So here, as you can see here below, is you make calls from desktop with WhatsApp for Windows. So now you can be also making the call on WhatsApp for Windows now using your computer. These are the simple steps. And also you can explore the data and the top here. As you can see here now, this is a phone, and you see now this connection is cancelled, which means that you could get also cancel or turn off your internet connection on your phone and use this also computer by chatting on WhatsApp, by sending calls, by reading the messages, and by what and by doing each and everything, sending document, files, photos, videos, and other things you want to say on our computer without keeping our phone also online. So WhatsApp has updated this feature, and this feature is helpful. And what you need to do now in order to access this WhatsApp, you need to be able to have this WhatsApp which is only updated one on your computer. You can be using this browser, Opera One, Opera browser, so you can be accessing it quick and easy steps by going there here, as you can see now, by clicking on this side bar here. So here, and also you can decide to use Chrome and other browser. In using other browser, also you can choose to come like this. For example, if you open my Chrome, and after opening Chrome, also I can type here WhatsApp for web, WhatsApp for web. So once I click WhatsApp for web, now it is going to open WhatsApp immediately, and I'm going also to scan it once. As you can see now, this is our site that I'm going to pass it through in order to access it as the details. And also now this WhatsApp for web now is going to be helping you to get this information. As you can see now, I click there, and once I click there, I need to only scan once, only one time also to start using WhatsApp. it doesn't require various features or data. Only I scan once time and I start using WhatsApp without getting connected also online. I'm going to scan this QR code using my Android phone, and once I will already scanned this QR code also, I can also turn off my internet on my Android phone and start using WhatsApp. So once you have updated WhatsApp in our Opera browser, you can be using it, or can be using it also by navigating it or searching it out to another browser like this one. So this is how you can be using our WhatsApp now without getting connected on Opera. Also, the process to get connected to WhatsApp and the same also is start by scanning your WhatsApp also, but here you scan only once. Then once done also you let it and you keep also charging on the computer even your Android phone is not there, or even your Android phone is not connected on your internet connection. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share this with your friends, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload the video at no max. Thank you for watching. Keep doing results.